So we're getting ready to go on a pretty big adventure that we're pretty excited about.
We're gonna head to the Outer Banks.
And we're spending 4 nights, four nights on a secluded island in the Outer Banks.
Yeah, and that would be Lookout National Seashore that we have to get to by ferry.
So we are going to be kind of like off the grid with our off-grid, off-road campers. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And yes, we packed everything we probably own and more, but it's going to be fantastic. And if you know me, you know I like to pack a lot of stuff.
Packing a lot of stuff allows you to be free.
I don't know if that's true, but so we're going to our secluded, deserted island with our friends Darren and Susan. Here we are, ready for our trip. And this is the trip that Overkill was born for. So feeling kind of nervous because we're gonna be on this island, deserted island, and of course we're gonna survive.
Yeah, I think we'll survive just fine.
We got a lot of stuff. When we left today, we had kind of like a jerky little start going up the hill, and so it kind of felt weird and makes me think about the last time we came to the Outer Banks and we ended up having to get a new alternator. And then Johnny and Vicky, who we're meeting up with today, they ended up, we stopped at a campground, we were camping for the night, woke up in the morning and their car would not start. So, I don't know, maybe that's why I feel like a little bit of nerves.
I want to introduce you to Johnny and Vicky.
Hi, Johnny and Vicky from Spark Adventure.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Victoria.
He's already said my name, I'm not going to say it again.
His name is Johnny. Going on this fun adventure with the Bensons. We're going to be free.
We didn't even get to where we're going yet. We're already at Walmart. We'll stop at Walmart all the time, every day, everywhere.
So we're gonna go in and get a couple of things that we need and 720 things that we don't need. I think the drive to the Outer Banks is so pretty. Outer Banks! Okay. So to get to Cape Lookout, you have to take a ferry, which is literally one of my favorite parts because it makes it super secluded. We are here and we are ready to take the ferry over to our deserted, secluded island at Cape Hatteras National Seashores. Will we be able to stay on the secluded island? Will we survive? We shall see. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is air down the tires because when you're driving on the beach, you have to air your tires down so you don't get stuck.
All right, so I am putting on these little gadgets here that you can set to particular PSIs. It's gonna let the air out of my tires down to 18 PSI.
Plan to wear your very best ferry clothes. Bucky shirts. Cape Lookout Cabins is located in Davis, North Carolina, and it really offers the best ferry service. It only cost us about $160 to take our Jeep and our trailer over to the island, and that's it. That's round trip, and when you get there, the camping is free. They also have a store where you can purchase all of your fishing stuff, camping stuff, firewood, ice, and basic groceries. And here is really the coolest thing ever. So when you're on the island, you can call over to the store and let them know what basic groceries you need, and they will send it over on the next ferry and just add it to your tab. The ferry ride is approximately 1 hour, so plan to enjoy the scenery and have a little fun. When you're on the ferry, take a minute and go up and check out the cockpit and say hello to the captain. We made it, and it is so beautiful. I feel like we just stepped back in time to a much just simpler,
How's it going?
quiet life.
Able to use any of your auxiliary lights at all at night.
Okay.
Disturbs our birds and turtles.
Okay.
And then I want to talk to the group as one.
This is true untouched beauty in its purest form. It is so beautiful.
We are here at our site, the ocean. You can't ask for a better campsite, so time to get set up. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of the campsite. You can see there's the ocean. You're not going to get much better than that. There's our fire pit. Right here is our little dining table, and we've got a little area that we can cook. Here is our living room. And of course, everybody wants to see the bathroom. So let me show you our bathroom. Here's our bathroom right here. Now, our bathroom is also our shower. So we have an outdoor shower that's in here. And we have a toilet that goes in there as well, but our toilet also can be inside the rescue wagon, so we do keep our toilet in there as well. So here's our friend's campsite.
So much to do in the Outer Banks. It is so different from one end of the Outer Banks to the other. So stay tuned for some more videos with some really great adventures. And just a side note, we did decide to challenge ourselves to several different challenges. So the next videos will be our 3 challenges, and you can see if we actually did it.
Now, the thing with that is though, we are going to have to do some research on the tide